All right, so I've got the good view of the med cup. I'm hunkering down. Now, you could certainly pass out pills with these, but it's more so for the liquid medications because you have the marking. So you have the 2.5, the 5 ml, 7.5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And this is when you need liquid meds. Remember, I was saying you cannot give medications in a paper cup for liquid meds. You can't use your household utensils. And a cc is the same as an ml. But now more so, like cc's you'll use in a hospital. If you're a nurse, they'll say like, how many cc's are you giving? But you will mostly use mLs. So 5 mLs, 5 milliliters, right at that line there is a teaspoon. That's your conversion. 5 mLs equals 1 teaspoon. And 15 mLs right here equals 1 tablespoon. So 5 mLs, 1 teaspoon, 15 mLs, 1 tablespoon. Okay, and that's just a liquid med cup. So with a steady hand, basically, you are to pour water. Now, once you pour, I don't have a med bottle. I don't have a med bottle, so I'm just using a good old cup to show you. But there's no take backs. You have to basically get down to eyesight, and that's why you could see my camera is at this angle, because you have to put the the cup on a flat hard surface, which is you have to get down to eye level, which I am. You could tell the angle. This is my desk where I sit, so I usually wouldn't be this low. And you pour slow and steady. Okay, because anything else you pour extra, you're unable to pour it back in the cup. Okay, and so that's slow and steady to get to what you're supposed to get to. So let me try my best here. So I got to pretty much 15 mLs. Might drop away from it. And I poured a lot because usually in class, or you can see the numbers a little bit better now. Usually in class, I have people pour 2.5 because I say if you could pour the smallest amount, then you could pour anything higher than that. So I think we just got 15 right there. All right. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of pouring a liquid medication. If you pour any excess, you cannot pour it back into the bottle. I think I saw a test question on that. I'm trying to think what else I need to tell you. Flat, hard surface, steady hand, eye level. And I think that's about it. 5 mLs is 1 teaspoon, 15 mLs. So right there is 1 tablespoon.